Hedwig, you've brought an important message, and you've also brought the Prefect of Ravenclaw and Fleur de la Cour. Hedwig has brought an important message from Nurse Pomfrey, of course the nurse at Hogwarts. She and all of us are always looking out for the well-being of our magical community, and we've determined that we can't gather together in just under 2 weeks in one place to celebrate Bay Splash. But the great news is that we can indeed ready our wands and celebrate the Bay community and Splash online. That includes a fabulous online auction, opportunities to purchase our community parties, as well as to raise your virtual bid paddle to support Fund a Need. Look out for a big reveal on the Fund a Need coming soon.
Thank you to the many volunteers and supporters who have already put countless hours into making this event special. We're going to miss you at Bay Splash this year, but we have some important news to share.
On Monday, March 16th, our online auction will open, so please join us in supporting our Staffley Party, which will provide a great event for our Staffley in May. We have wonderful events and wine and tickets that our community has donated, so please support us.
So from all of us, go Breakers, raise your wands, and
Wingardium Leviosa!